Welcome to Helium Cocktail Bar here in Copenhagen. My name is Jeppe and I'll be presenting to you my drink with Highland Valkyrie. And I call my drink Wings of Orkney. And for my drink I'll need a bit of PEDRO XIMINEZ sherry, some Bianco Ambrato Vermouth, and of course lots of whiskey. For my drink I really wanted to do a sort of Rob Roy inspired cocktail, but where I use PEDRO XIMINEZ sherry for the texture. Instead of using the sweet vermouth, I wanted to go for an amber, and then of course I wanted to sort of emphasize on the sweetness and the smoke of the whiskey. So I stir it all up. Give it a good stir. And then the whole lore about Valkyrie and Valkyries in the Norse mythology, I really wanted to sort of emphasize that on the drink. So some of the notes I found on the whiskey was sort of spice, oriental spice, but also some green apple. So you make my Valkyrie's wings of green apple with a bit of caramelized brown sugar. And then just a hint of licorice root while it's still warm. And I use that as my wings for my Wings of Orkney with Highland Valkyrie.